This is kind of a new trick, so it might not work, but hey, let's give it a try. Matilda! Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Okay, I understand the whole, bulletproof vest shit, but hey. Bam fucking Bam! Matilda! Bam Bam! I did already.
Matilda. Bam Bam. Bam Bam.
Oh, I think my gun is out of bullets. What do you do when my mom does it? Matilda! Yo. What does she do when I say Bam Bam? Bam Bam! Get up! No, I'm not getting you. Matilda, get up! Come on, good girl! Okay, let me try that again. Bam Bam! You lazy fucking bum! Bam Bam! Why does it work? Follow Bam Bam to know.
Matilda. 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 Bam Bam.
What is gonna work when I say Bam Bam? Matilda, what is going on with this authority complex over here? Come here. Come back to life. Come back to life, my dear. Okay, good girl. I don't understand why she doesn't listen to my Bam Bam. Matilda? Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Matilda, Bam Bam! Good girl. It's kind of something.